I'll show you the easiest way to recover a document in Grammarly. Whether you've accidentally deleted a file or simply need to find an older version, this guide will help you retrieve your important documents without any hassle. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to app.grammarly.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your Grammarly account. Once you're in, you'll notice a navigation sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. This sidebar is where you can access all of your Grammarly tools and folders. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the trash folder. This is where Grammarly temporarily stores the documents you've deleted. It's a handy feature that gives you a bit of a safety net in case you ever delete something by mistake. Once you open the trash folder, you should see a list of documents that have been deleted. Take a moment to find the specific document you want to recover. It might take a little scrolling if you have a lot of files, but don't worry, everything is neatly organized. Once you've found the document you're looking for, it's time to restore it. You'll notice a restore button or an undo arrow icon right next to the document's name. Go ahead and click on that. What this does is immediately move your file back to your primary My Grammarly home screen. It's as if it was never gone in the first place. Now, let's talk about version history. This is a fantastic feature for those moments when you need to see how your document has evolved over time. From your main dashboard, take a look again at the left sidebar. This time, select Version History. This option will load a list of saved revisions for your document, neatly organized by time and date stamps. It gives you a snapshot of what your text looked like at different moments, which can be invaluable for tracking changes or retrieving content you might have edited out. Click through these timeline entries to review your document's past versions. This is a great way to see the progress of your writing or to retrieve specific pieces of text you may have changed or removed. If you find a version you want to keep, don't forget to click Download. This will save that particular version to your computer, ensuring you have a backup copy outside of Grammarly. And there you have it, a straightforward way to recover and manage your documents in Grammarly. By following these steps, you can easily retrieve deleted files and review past versions of your work. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with these features, as they can save you a lot of time and stress in the future. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.